Wanna go for it?
Hell yes.
Oh, that is the king right there.
This is part 2 of our adventure at Avatar Crystal Mine, where we got to dig with Brian from California. And stick around because you are not going to believe the crystal that he found. We found a really good pocket and we're pulling out a lot of cluster plates, but we were really hoping to find a big point. It was a little bit more work for all of us, but it started to pay off because we were about to find a really nice point.
Man, that's the find.
All right.
Oh, that is awesome. Oh, that's a freaking piece. Amazing.
Nice.
Their whole bag. The other whole bag, yeah. You got a lot of crystals.
What an amazing day. Happy digging, y'all.